Good evening, and we are back after a small break of one day. We took the break because the nature forced us to take it. Mother Nature, we had a storm in Kolkata, so Orgha and I couldn't come online. But today we have come live with a very special episode. It's the episode of our Discuss Kare, and the episode is on Tim Paine's statement. By now, I'm sure all of you are aware of the fact that Tim Paine has given a fantastic statement on the historic win of India in Australia. So I'll just read out the statement before I go to Orgho for his take on the statement. So Tim Paine said the classic. Tim Paine has said that Indians are very good at niggling and trying to distract. Part of the challenge of playing against India is they are very good at niggling you and trying to distract you with stuff that doesn't really matter. And there were times in that series where we fell for that. He continues, the classic example was when they said they weren't going to the GABA, so we didn't know where we were going. They're very good at creating these side shows, and we took our eye off the ball. So, Orgo, before I will obviously, you know me, I will have some comments on this, right? But before I comment, I want you to take the center stage and comment on, what do you feel about Tim Paine's statement?
I'll do something. I'll not
Yeah.
comment.
Then what will
Open
you
your
do?
ears, viewers. Open your ears, everyone, and listen to this. चोट दिल पे जो खाई वो मजा आ गया.
कौन चोट दिल
टिम
पे खाई?
पेन, उसका नाम है टिम पेन, तो उसको दर्द खाना ही था ना पहले से. इट पेन्स हिज हार्ट. आई एम सॉरी. आई यूज टू एडमायर हिम एज अ विकेट कीपर, बट इतना चोट दिल पे लगा है कि उसको इतना मजा आया है कि मजेदार बातें करने लगा है. What distraction? Gaba was your fortress, right? He is saying that he didn't know, or his team didn't know, that they going to Gaba or weren't they? So now the story here is, I would ask you to throw some more light on it. Indians were a little bit unsure whether they should go to Gaba or not. Can you just explain
No,
what happened there?
actually, the entire point was there was a speculation in the media. BCCI had
Hmm.
never said that we are not interested in going to GABA, neither had the players complained. There was the whole
Hmm.
speculation related to the fact that there was this whole bio bubble breach that was said that, Rohit and all went to a restaurant. Basically, it had started raining and they came inside, and there was a fan who had claimed that, I took photos with them, I hugged them, and all. And then he obviously reported that that was a lie. He had got a little carried away because he had met them. So then the entire issue was with the COVID cases rising. Brisbane might go under a harder quarantine. There was this whole thing about the quarantine. It was on quarantine and how the quarantine was hard. I mean, coming from players who go away from tournaments saying bio bubble fatigue.
So that's why there was a talk in the media that
In
India
the
might
media,
not prefer to
yeah,
go
let's
to
let's
Gaba.
let's
That's
say
in
it was in the media.
Brisbane.
There was never anything from BCCI or from the players.
Yeah. So Gaba, the third test was in Sydney,
Correct, correct.
which India drew, I guess, or did they
Yeah,
win?
yeah, yeah, absolutely.
India drew
And
that,
India drew that
and
with
who
half a hamstring. With one
half
hamstring. Yeah, with one damaged hamstring.
Hanuma
One
Bihari.
damaged
That's
back.
who damaged back. Hanuma and Jadeja was sitting with his arm in a sling.
Absolutely.
Jadeja didn't have to bat only. Jadeja didn't
Correct,
have to bat only.
correct.
Ashwin and Hanuma Vihari almost batted out the innings. Before that, Pant played well, and I think Shubman Gill also played brilliantly in that
No,
match.
so,
Is it
Shubman Gill played brilliantly in GABA. He scored the 91
okay?
here.
So Pant always kept India in the run
Yeah,
chase
yeah,
in
absolutely. In
Sydney.
fact, if you
So
remember, everyone was sure that till Pant was there, everyone was actually sure that India
yeah.
will win that match.
By the way, who dropped that easy catch of Hanuma Bihari when there were many overs left and Hanuma was batting? Can
No,
you please
Orgo,
tell the name?
that's the reason. No, because he was seeing the side shows. That's why he couldn't take that catch. That's the
He
point.
was all, but he was trying to, but he was Tim Paine who dropped the catch. He was trying to distract Ashwin. He was like a gunda. He was saying, "Come to Gaba, dekh
Come to
lenge," and all that.
Gaba. No, I think what happened first, he threatened, come to Gaba. And then he thought, अच्छा इनको बुला तो लिया है, चाय पानी का इंतजाम नहीं किया है, because he suddenly realized in Sydney that these guys cannot be defeated like that. Ashwin,
Yeah,
who could barely bend his back because of the back pain. Hanuma Vihari, who could barely move. They saved the Sydney test. So automatically, Tim Paine knew that we have made a huge mistake by calling them to Gabba.
and then they are saying that they didn't know, Australia didn't know that whether they were going to Gaba, where would be the last test match? Would it be in Gaba? Would it be somewhere else? I think simply to be very serious, I think there's a lot of pressure on Tim Paine right now because everybody is expecting Steve Smith to overtake him as a captain. He even told that how long would he be the Australian captain? He was asked by the media, and he said that at least 6 test matches, that is the Ashes test, and I hope we can win 5-0 and then I can retire or I can leave the captaincy. So I feel just to deviate the attention of the media, he is saying this thing that we got distracted. Let me give you one more answer to Tim Paine. Why would you get distracted at a venue where you haven't lost a test match since decades? Or even if every ground is your home ground, even if India
Yeah,
didn't go
that
out,
was
even
my
if the
exactly my
yeah,
point.
even if the
That
last
suppose
match
it's not
wasn't
Gabba. Suppose
yeah,
it's not Gabba. It will be in Australia, right? You are not going to fly off to England to play a test match. Neither are you going to come back to India and play the last test match. What a
yeah,
silly reason. We were concentrating. Why were you concentrating on the side shows? You knew you had to play one test match, which would have been the deciding test match. In fact, I think what he basically is not saying is, I agree with you that he's under pressure, but there is this also, right? Orgo, with Virat Kohli gone and Ajinkya Rahane and all, they are aggressive, yes, but Virat Kohli's aggression is a separate level. So I feel what basically happened was they took the Indian team very lightly, and even the Australian media didn't expect the win, obviously. And now
yeah.
that they have won, the entire pressure is telling on Tim Paine. And they were, I feel, a tad bit overconfident also that, these guys are coming to Gabba. And when they actually went to Brisbane, we even lost Bumrah. Players like
Yeah.
Bumrah, Ashwin, we lost Hanuma Vihari, there was
Jadeja.
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 So they thought, yeah, so they thought Brisbane is in our pockets, and they didn't know we had an out of syllabus Washington Sundar and Shardul Thakur in store for them. I think Tim Paine is just being a sore loser.
Yes, I
That's
also
all.
feel so. There's one more defense from the Australian media defending Tim Paine is that I'll read out that
Yeah.
defense what the Australian media has said. So this is it. Uh, Tim Paine's comments about India series has been misconstrued and taken out of context. He was not making excuses. He was asked a lot of questions about dealing with external stuff as captain and specifically what happened behind the scenes in that series. Which again, I feel that see everybody can give their own opinion or can give their
Of course.
excuses. We are no one to say that yeah, you have to say this or you have to say that. But this particular statement is so laughable that it can't be true. Like this is an issue which can't affect a team's performance. Also, I feel the first test, which was in Adelaide, because India had
Right.
that disastrous batting performance in the second innings, Australia won that game because for three-fourths of the game, India were in complete control of that game. Right.
Absolutely.
The second test match, India won very easily. The third test match, which Australia actually played well and should have won, where Hanuma Vihari and Ashwin batted well, they couldn't win because they couldn't hold on to catches. They missed their chances in that game. Had they won that test match, India would have been under more pressure to win the last test match. Here, remember, the series was 1-1. If India had even drawn the last test, they would have won the series because the series before that, the
They
Border
would have
Gavaskar
retained the
series
border
before this,
Gavaskar.
yeah,
Yeah.
India had won the series before this, so they would have retained. So Australia didn't take their chances. That's the simple
No, also,
excuse. That's not the
Orgo,
excuse. That's the reason.
my problem with Tim Paine's statement is this, that okay, first of all, it's always there, no, that the media has misconstrued the statement, they have misunderstood, but they have said like the statement was there, right? And it makes
Hmm.
no sense. So when Australia lost in 2018, they said, "Oh, we
Hmm.
didn't have Smith and Warner, and hence we lost." Now, when you lose, you have
Yeah.
Smith and Warner, and yet you lose, and now you are like, "अरे ये लोग तो side show करते हैं, side show करे या slide show करे? हम जाके खेल में तो ground पे तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं भाई." Power
ग्राउंड
play
पे तो
में,
अपना शो करते हैं.
हाँ, I think they were more distracted by the punt show than the side show. They didn't
And
expect
and
the
and
cricket.
another important point: Australian bowlers were good, but apart from
Yeah.
Smith, which are the batters who performed really well, consistently throughout
That's
the
it.
series? Which are the batters? It was only
Absolutely.
Smith
See, apart
who
from
continuously played well.
Labuschagne, shades of Labuschagne, and
Yeah.
Steve Smith, that's it. You played. In fact, Tim. Somebody should go and remind Tim Payne that Warner was actually playing with an injury because you guys didn't have an opener. Now, okay. Now, did we go and injure Warner as well? No, right? We didn't. We didn't injure Warner. So that was not our side show or slide show. I think the main problem with Tim Payne,
True.
and although if you remember, both of us had discussed this during the Australian series as well, that he gives way too many excuses. I understand the media
Hmm.
pressure, and I'm not asking him to step down as captain. That is not my lookout. My point is, you can't really take away from. See, if it was the Virat Kohlis, the Chiteshwar Pujaras, then it would have been different. You're taking it away
Hmm.
from kids. Washington Sundar, a kid. Shardul Thakur, so new to Test cricket. Mohammad Siraj nearly
Natarajan.
lost his father, and yet he stayed.
Natarajan.
Natarajan didn't see the birth of his daughter, stayed there. And these are the people who. Rishabh Pant had faced so much flack. Just right now after
Yeah.
the Australian series, everyone is going crazy about Pant, but he was under tremendous pressure. When you are saying that, you see, basically, if I say that, it was not you guys that won, it's us who lost, fair enough.
Hmm.
Then maybe next time they should have more mental discipline not to get distracted by sideshows. We were not distracted. We were not distracted by the sledgings. We were not distracted by the racial abuse that we faced. We weren't
Hmm.
distracted. So maybe
I
time to.
think
I think Tim Payne is
I
saying. I think Tim.
I
Huh?
no,
You
no,
have
you go
something else?
on.
No, no, tell no. Please tell
No,
me.
I think the viewers should also write it down in their comment in our comment
Yes,
section. What do they think? Yeah.
they are writing things. Okay, I'll
Okay.
take the first one. Huh? Ashish Satyam is writing. What is the reason behind Justin Langer always backing Payne? Um, Probably because I don't know. He does. Justin
Because
Langer
I think
back.
see, I feel Steve Smith is a better captain as it is. And when they have Wade and Tim Payne in the team, and if Wade is performing better than Tim Payne, then Tim Payne doesn't get a chance as a
But
wicketkeeper
that's
too.
the main problem, no. Thanks, Ashish, for your question. But Orko, that is the main problem. No, Tim Payne did nothing with the bat. Tim Payne
Hmm.
did nothing
Apart
behind
from
the
that
scenes.
one innings in Adelaide, he
No,
played well
no.
in the second.
See,
Yeah.
one innings, if you start counting one innings, then everybody must have played some one innings in their lifetime. But they don't become
Hmm.
Australian captain, right? If you're the
Hmm.
Australian captain and if you're dropping catches, you're not batting well, and you're giving excuses, it's time for you to go away.
Also, I feel that Australia were under pressure, the board, to not appoint Steve Smith or Warner, somebody like Warner as a
As a
captain after that sandpaper gate issue. Because, see,
correct,
Rajasthan Royals did that after Steve Smith came back to international cricket. But Australian management feels, I feel, that the people, the Australian supporters won't feel right if all of a sudden after Steve Smith comes back from that ban, he gets the captaincy. That's why they waited with Tim Paine. And also, Tim Paine as a captain succeeded. When these
correct,
players were not there,
correct.
he succeeded. So they gave him a longish run. I feel so.
Which is fine. And honestly, it
Hmm.
is fine to fail in a series. When a Virat Kohli fails in a series, he also receives flags. But going about giving silly excuses, yeah, I mean, is pretty okay. Shubha Brata, we are so
Okay.
glad that
So,
you are watching this. And let me tell
hmm.
other viewers, Shubha Brata is a very, very let's put it this way:
Ardent
Shubha Brata is one of our biggest
follower.
supporters. Yeah, absolutely. So Shubha Brata
Hmm.
says Australian cricket team is a bad loser. Yes, they are. They are still not able to digest that series loss. Absolutely. Shubha Brata continues.
Correct.
When you are not performing up to the mark, you make such lame excuses. Completely agreeing.
Perfect.
That series showed the difference of bench strength between two teams. It is as simple as that.
And I want to say
Yes,
something about this bench strength. Recently, Greg Chappell said the same thing that England and India have progressed ahead of Australia in terms of identifying talent, which Australia
absolutely.
used to do very well. Australia used to do very well at one point of time. See, now that day we made a team, that a team which would go
Correct.
to in Sri Lanka in the absence of the Indian test team, which would be in England, and we were struggling to fit in players because there were so many options.
And when I heard a few more probables, I was like, oh, we missed this player. Oh, we missed that player. It's almost like you can send three, four Indian teams and you would still be,
Yeah.
and all the four teams would be good enough. And see, it's not like a player becomes in a day, right? It takes a lot of effort. For example, you see Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant always had talent. We
Hmm.
many of us, I'm sure the viewers, I know a number of times criticized him for giving it away. They worked on him. Ravi Shastri worked on him. Saurav Ganguly worked on him. They had faith in him. They identify people. They work on them, and the hunger is there. See the debuts. If you see the
Okay.
debuts also, Surya Kumar Yadav a 50 on his debut. Ishan Kishan a 50 on his debut. That tells you. And with Australia, there was one more thing which I felt that a the entire equation with the coach and within the team, basically there were some issues in the dressing room which definitely came out after the series,
Hmm.
because Justin Langer is a very, very tough taskmaster, and we have seen what happens generally when the coach is a very tough taskmaster. So probably there
And
also, since there was a
but
yeah,
Justin Langer is someone because we are talking about he after the series uh, gave a statement that never ever underestimate a team like India because there
absolutely.
are billions of players, kids playing in that country, and you can't underestimate estimate a country like that. If you do that, you get this result. So I
Yes,
feel that
absolutely.
that is a statement which ends all these excuses of Tim
That
Payne, I
shows
feel.
he's gracious enough, and
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember, now that you mentioned, Justin Langer had also said that there is no shame in losing to a second string or third string Indian team because they are that strong, and that is the
Mm,
truth. I mean, currently we are strong, and I'm saying
mm,
currently because you cannot ever promise that this is what will go on,
mm,
right?
mm.
Much like we
Exactly.
cannot promise you that we will go on with this video because you guys are not sending us questions and there's nothing much to
But we
discuss.
will definitely, because we are
Yes,
in this test mode, we'll be definitely discussing issues and different kind of topics regarding that World Test Championship final. Our next
yes,
video will be about whether India is in a disadvantageous position in front of New Zealand ahead of the World Test Championship final. We won't reveal anything apart from that, but that's our topic.
yeah. Just a second, can I take last comment from
Yeah,
Shubha Broto,
yeah,
because we have
yeah.
to do it. Come on, Shubha Broto, bring the supportive.
Hmm.
viewer. IPL is such a platform that made players like Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar Yadav ready for international cricket when they are actually making their debut. That's true. Also, Shubha Brata, apart from IPL, this entire domestic regime that a male cricketer goes through, and I mentioned male cricketer because just
Hmm.
a point here, I have always mentioned and I have been very vocal about this that women cricketers don't get that platform. The men
Hmm.
cricketers go through Ranji Trophy, Vijay Hazare, Diodhar Trophy, Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, and people like KL Rahul still play in these match, in this
Hmm.
domestic tournaments, and that's what makes the domestic tournaments tough. And in fact, it helps them to that bridge the gap between the international and the actually makes them fearless. IPL also obviously is a huge what do you call it exposure. You're playing with international
Hmm.
cricketers, you're both facing them. So overall, as one can easily put in one statement, our domestic structure is in the correct place, and hence we have
Hmm.
built good bench strength.
Backup
We
option.
have a Rahul,
Yeah.
yeah, we have a Rahul Dravid as the coach for under 19. I mean, can you
Hmm.
get a better coach? You won't. It's as simple as that.
And another cornerstone for India's success, especially in Test cricket, is because now India has a pool of fast bowlers. India
Yes,
always used to have great
absolutely.
batters, but nowadays you can close your eyes and the fast bowlers will guarantee you those 20 wickets. This was never the
Absolutely.
case in the 90s or 80s or even the early 2000s. It was never
Yeah,
the case. It was always like if somebody gets injured, you have three backups for him. This was never the case. Yeah, this was the case with Australia, that team which dominated
correct.
all opposition at one point of time. I remember one Nathan Bracken had come into the team
Yes,
with minus
left
Brett
arm off.
Lee and yeah, Magra, and still he destroyed the Indian cricket team and other teams also. So that's the thing.
Yeah,
You have backup,
absolutely.
you get the results. You can't
Absolutely.
give
I think
excuses.
Orko and I have been very clearly, we have laughed away Team Penn's statement. I'm sure you guys are also laughing away the statement. But in case you guys do have a logic, or if you want to express your views, then
Hmm.
just come to the comment section, comment. Um, you can always message us. You can always you like our videos, comment, and if you want to ask any questions, we have our Facebook page. Just come there, put up your post. We also have an Instagram page. Follow us there, and most importantly,
And
subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come on, guys.
YouTube
See,
and
I'll tell
hit
you
the
what,
bell
I'll tell you this
icon.
also very honestly. For us to sustain this entire discussion, we also need support from you guys, which is true. All of you know how YouTube works. So we do need subscribers. Come ahead. And if you think our discussion is worth watching, then definitely. What are
Hit the
you?
bell icon. Hit the
Oh,
bell
hit.
icon. Don't give excuses. Don't be a
Yes,
team pen.
don't give
Be
laughable excuses.
be like Shubhabroto. Be like
Yeah.
Shubhabroto.
Be like your brother. Don't be like Team Pen.
Oh.
Okay. Bye, guys. We are leaving pain